Okay, hello and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review video. Today I got this package in the mail. I ordered something from the Netherlands and I've forgotten what it was. So I'm going to unbox it right here, right now for you, and we'll figure it out together. Hope everyone has had a good day. I just got home from work and ended up running out on my way home to go get me some dinner. So while the wife is away, I'm just going to go ahead and make this quick video. And did I just cut the wrong areas? Oh yeah, I did. Sorry. There's still more to do. It is a Friday and I'm exhausted and happy to be able to unwind, even though it was a short week with our Labor Day holiday. There we go. Oh. Okay. I don't know how I forgot about these. Guys, it's only two figures, because you know me and two. The number two, there's just something about it. I can't believe I forgot about these. I'm so stoked, y'all. Can you make out who it is? Do you see? So I got the Day of the Dead figures from Series 21. Oh my gosh. How do I forget things like this? These were the two figures from Series 21 that I just missed out on. And every time I would find them on eBay, they were priced ridiculously. So I was able to find two of them priced for a stupidly low price, and I was not going to pass it up. So I went ahead and jumped at the chance, and here they are. Oh man. Oh, it's so special to have these. Yeah, they're just beautiful, and I can tell these are gonna probably jump up in price even more very soon. And I didn't realize. Well, I haven't looked at this one. It just slipped my mind that this was a figure with the hoop skirt. But here she is, and I'll get a better view of her later. I gotta get that plastic out of the way there. We're gonna take a look at these real quick individually, and I love how these tassels are added onto the skirt here. That's awesome. Those are the same tassels you get on the graduation figure. So if you run out, or if you don't get any with your purchase of a graduation figure, you can just go over to this figure and devalue it as much as possible here. And then she has a little hole in the back of her hoop skirt here for this little ribbon. Whoops. And there it goes. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. This is 1,000 times cooler in person. And that is too cool. Well, this was worth the wait. I think I bought them 3 weeks ago. So 3 weeks from the Netherlands. That's not bad, really. But that is so nice. I remember when, I'm sorry, I'm kind of speechless. I can't believe I'm actually holding these now. It's almost as special as finding them out in the wild and opening up the blind bags for the first time. But yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just totally speechless right now. These are fantastic. I remember finding these in the Playmobil catalog for 2021, and these were among like the first ones I had to get. And I found a store online, and I found a store not too far from where I live that sold the blind bags, and I was constantly checking for them. And anytime I found the blind bags, I'd just pick them right up and buy a few, and hoped that I would get one of them, and I never did. And I got so many duplicates of everybody else, but never these two. And here they are, and I am just so happy about it. Who has these? How many do you have? Anybody have any duplicates, and are you selling them? It's always nice to give other people a chance to get them that don't have them. And I figure in Europe they're probably much more abundant, since, you know, it's basically a European toy, Playmobil, and so they're easier to get. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show you real quick. Here's the back of the female. Yeah, and then there's not a whole lot going on with this guy. So, but yeah, that's awesome. That is so cool. I cannot wait to display these on my shelf. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you very soon. Thanks.